Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing good. It's your English lecture. Today we will do some MCQs and exercise of has, have and had in for notes. First you will do the MCQs from 51 to 66. Here the topic is choose the correct words or synonyms. You have to choose the correct word. Synonym means the word that is having same meanings, that is synonyms. Famous, well known, trustworthy, reliable, companion, friends, incident, event, sacrifice, offering, sidewalks, pavements, trash, waste material, untidy, dirty, fun, enjoyment, vacation, holiday, charming, delightful, tourist, traveler, delight, pleasure, descending, coming down, heaven, paradise, shine, bright. Now the next topic is choose the correct options according to the grammar. Here are you will start your MCQs from 76 till 90. These are the correct options according to the grammar. The name of a common person, place or thing is called a common noun. The name of a specific person, place or thing is called a proper noun. In which we discuss about common people, that is common noun. In which we discuss about some specific person, that is proper noun. 78. Take the correct common noun, actor. Take the correct proper noun, Qaid Azam. Take the correct sentence according to punctuation. What is your name? Question mark will come, or exclamation mark, or full stop, or semicolon. Question mark will come. What is your name? The people and things which we can count are called countable nouns. The things which we can count are called countable nouns. The things which we cannot count are uncountable nouns. Is that clear? The things which we can count are countable nouns, and the things which we cannot count are uncountable nouns. Bees collect honey. The underlined word is a uncountable noun. Clock tells us time. The underlined word is countable noun. A and the are called article. We see dash moon at night. The moon at night. Please give me dash envelope, an envelope. The word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Take the group of pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it. The pronoun which show possessive ownership is called possessive pronoun. द प्रोनाउन विच शो पोजेसिव या ऑनरशिप मीन्स के कब्ज़ा आपकी या आपकी चीज़ है वो, उसको हम पोजेसिव कहेंगे. किसी चीज़ पर कब्ज़ा होना, किसी चीज़ पे मलकियत होना आपकी, तो वो उसको हम कहेंगे पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. द प्रोनाउन विच शो पोजेसिव ऑनरशिप इज़ कॉल्ड पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. आई होप दैट MCQs आर क्लियर टू यू. यू हैव टू मार्क इट ऑन योर नोट्स. The next topic today we will do is the translation into English, use of has, have and had. As you can see that I have mentioned some points over here. Has is used with singular and have is used with plural, and has and have are used in present tense. Had is used with singular and plural both and is used in past tense. Is that clear to you? Has, have we used in present tense and had we use in past. मेरे पास एक किताब है. आई हैव अ बुक. मेरे पास एक किताब नहीं है. आई हैव नो बुक. क्या मेरे पास एक किताब है? हैव आई अ बुक. यू हैव टू मेक द नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव ऑफ ईच एंड एज यू हैव डन दिस बिफोर. उसके पास एक सुर्ख सेब था. ही हैड अ रेड एप्पल. उसके पास एक सुर्ख सेब नहीं था. ही हैड नो रेड एप्पल. Like this you have to complete exercise number 1. It has 5 sentences. Now exercise number 2 over here, it has also 5 sentences. You have to make the negative and interrogative both of in exercise number 1 and in exercise number 2. Is that clear? Exercise number 3. In exercise number 3 you all know that sentences are mixed. Here are negative, interrogative and simple sentences are mixed in exercise number 3. Is that clear? क्या उसके पास दवा थी? Had he an inkpot? हमारे पास एक कीमती घड़ी है. वी हैव अ प्रेशियस वॉच. लड़कों के हाथ में झंडा था। द बॉयज़ हैड अ फ्लैग इन देयर हैंड। क्या तुम्हारे पास मेरा कोई ख़त है? हैव यू एनी लेटर ऑफ माइन? अमीर आदमी के पास कितनी कारें हैं? हाउ मैनी कार्स अ रिच मैन हैव? फल फरोश के पास फल नहीं था। द फ्रूट सेलर हैड नो फ्रूट। वो बहुत सी किताबें रखते हैं। दे हैव मैनी बुक्स। हमारे पास नया मकान है। वी हैव अ न्यू हाउस। लोगों के पास खुराक ना थी। द पीपल हैड नो फूड। क्या अफजल के पास एक गेंद है? हैज़ अफजल अ बॉल? मेरे पास एक गाय है। आई हैव अ काउ। हिरन की 4 टांगें हैं। द डियर हैज़ 4 लेग्स। लड़कों के पास चंद किताबें हैं। द बॉयज़ हैड अ फ्यू बुक्स। क्या सभी के पास एक तलवार थी? हैड द सोल्जर अ स्वॉर्ड? उसके पास एक गुड़िया ना थी। दैट गर्ल हैड नो डॉल। Is that clear to you all? You have to do these exercises on your notes, neat and clean. You have to mention date and day on every page. Do it neat and clean. If you have any difficulty regarding these exercises, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.